Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob, Rob's Nerdy Knives. We've got a special unboxing, something coming in from Scott Hoffman. Let's look at this. This is going to be probably something pretty cool. All right, today I'm opening up my box with my Divo Knives Lush. This is the Riot made premium one with the crystal tie. Oh, it's beautiful. Let's get into this box. Oh. All right, so we've got something here. We have something here. Got some packaging. Make sure there's nothing in there. All right. Yeah, something there. Okay. What do we have here? I think that's something we're going to look at later. Let's open this first because this is something really cool. I asked Hoffy if he could possibly make something for me because I saw him make it for somebody else for Cole, and I thought, man, that is super stinking. Oh, he did orange. Dude, man, thank you, Hoffy. You're too cool. This is, I'm going to show you. Get the tape off here because that's keep it from opening. This is something I'm really excited about. This is a TSPROF stone holder. Let me grab it. So here's my TSPROFs. These are the old ones, the one I'm still using. I have new ones. But I believe you can just put it in like this. Yeah, look at that. I have room for, it looks like 3 more. Does another one fit in there? You sure can. So I can fit 1, 2, 3 more in there if I wanted to. But that is what this is. Very, very nice. And then you've got a little place for your stones now. Keep them nice and separated with this little container here like this. Man, this is so cool. 3D print it. You see that? Really nice. Thank you, Hoffy, man. I appreciate that. He's a 3D printing genius, just so you know. That's my personal opinion of him. You can choose to disagree with me, but I'll say you're wrong. Now, I bought a knife from him. He had something he bought. He got 2 of them. He offered me one. I said, yeah, because you're such a good guy. How could I say no? So, oh, hasn't even opened it. Very cool. This is the Bestech Knives, simply the best. This is the Taipan. I have not checked this out yet, so this will be a first for me. I don't think I've actually really checked out a Bestech kind of a nice knife yet. I think this will be one of the first ones that's like mine. So let's see what we got. All right, so we've got a little sticker there, nice little cloth. Look at that. Very cool. And here we go. Is this a nice enough cloth to save? It is. I'm going to put it over there for my glasses. Some stickers. Thank you. I don't actually have a Bestech sticker at all. So here we are. This is the Taipan. Okay. Very cool. Never been opened before. Nice clip there. Front flipper. Got a fuller. All right, here we go. Ready? Oh, it's like a Warncliffe sheep's foot. That's Warncliffe, definitely. It's got point to it, so it's kind of modified. Oh, it's hollow. Ooh, did you hear that? Hold on a second. Let's do that again. Ready? Oh my goodness. Hold on. Oh, that's got a ting to it. You ready? Ready? Man, that is a ting-a-ling-a-linga. Wow. That is cool. Let's see. You gonna do left-handed? Oh, gotta get it low. Yes, I can. That's cool. All right, so the clip looks like a nice flat spot under there, not sharp, rounded all the way around. It's an interesting shape of a blade. I love the fact that's round. That was my concern with this milling. That means the milling is fine. Can front flip up there, hollow grind. Comes a nice thin tip, flat grind up there, nice big full. Jimping works. I can choke up right here. Plenty of room for big old giant hands. This is definitely a big hand friendly action. Really nice. I bet if we put skiffs in there, this would be phenomenal. I won't have time to do it today, but we'll definitely want to put skiffs in there at some point. Oh, that ting. You hear that? That's really nice. You got to hear it. Wow. Nice hollow grind. Definitely caged bearings. All right, let's see. Blade rock, blade play. Pivot lash, pivot rock. No. Let's listen to the detent. Nice clickety. Any detent lash? No. Again, detent. Let's listen to it. Nice clickety. Dead nut centered? Yes. Really cool. I love that. That's really cool. Nice chamfered there, nice cutaway, good access, nice weight relief on the inside. This is not sharpened, it's nice and soft there. Not sharp there as well. They knocked that down. Nice chamfering all the way around. It is contoured just a little bit. That makes it super comfortable in hand. This comes up here, nice and rounded, not sharp. Super comfortable right there. I like that. Scratched the heck out of my hand the other day. Anyways, really cool. All right, that's the Taipan. So I don't know much about it. I think, does it tell me what it's here? Magnacut, okay. Bestech usually means it's going to be about 63, 64. I know because EDC uses Bestech and their knives are coming out 63, 64, so that's good. This is brand new. Love the backspacer. Jimping works there. Nice texture everywhere. Get really good presentation. You're not going to drop it or lose it. Very cool. Interesting knife. Very grayed out. This will be really cool. We'll do a review on this. We'll see if this is a catch and release, but this is definitely a stinking cool knife. I like it. Wow. Yeah, I definitely got to carry this for a little bit. This is, or at least try to carry it around the house here, the office. Very nice. I do like that. All right, let's do a nice close-up video of it. So there's the blade with that hollow grind. You can feel that hollow grind. Got the Bestech right there. And it does say just Bestech knives. Yep, just Bestech knives. Nice big fuller thumb hole there. Got the jimping on top up there. Kind of a thick blade, but it kind of thins out, but it's got that little kind of Wharncliffe look there because it's a flat grind down here, comes down. So it's kind of a modified Wharncliffe, I guess you could say. This milling pattern, this circular pattern, I think they call it fingerprint or something, I don't know. Captive pivot over here. Looks like nice T8s right there. You see the weight relief on the inside there. Hidden screw, it's on the inside. You got 2 screws there for the backspacer. Nice jimping on top of there. Clip even has textured milling on top of that. Look inside, a lot of weight relief in there. Cutaway, chamfering right there. Chamfered on the lock bar. Lock bar engages a good 50%. Easy to disengage. Let's do that again. Yeah, easy to disengage. That's nice. Steel bar insert over travel stop, and I think there's a let me just make sure. Yep, over travel stop. You can see it right there. Make sure it shows up. See that? There it is, right. Come on, focus. There it is. There you go. Now you see it. There you go. Trying to get the light in the right spot. Very cool. That's really neat. I'm digging this. Oh, trying to go back to 1. Here we go. Let's get a nice little screenshot for a little thumbnail shot there. Hopefully we can get the little hollow grind because it's a nice dull finish. You're not really gonna, the hollow grind's not gonna be seen as easily as it could be, but still very cool. I think that's really neat. And here's the back part of it. Kind of an interesting looking knife. I don't dislike this at all. Really neat. The front flipper works really well. Can we do a reach around? Oh, gotta go a little high. I can. It's longer fingers are probably gonna make that a little bit easier. It is a little crisp on the front flipper, but because it's so high in leverage, it's easy for me to get to. But if I'm gonna do the reach around, it becomes a little more challenging. So, all right. Well, thank you, Hoffy, for the TSPROF case for my stones. I appreciate that. And then thank you for letting me buy this knife from you, the Taipan. I appreciate you buying 2 and letting me buy 1 of them. Appreciate you. All right, we'll definitely be doing a review on this. You'll be seeing this when I do sharpenings for sure. This is super cool, so I'm super excited about that. Thank you, Hoffy. Thank you, Hoffy, for letting me buy that. All right, if you found this content fun, interesting, informative, entertaining, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button. Subscribing and liking the channel really helps out, allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there who watches, who's part of the channel, who just is there. Thank you. Thank you. If you haven't already, consider hitting that notification button as well down below so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out, a big thank you to all my channel members. I appreciate you do 2 amazing things for me. Just by being channel members, you encourage me, and I'm so grateful. Thank you. Secondly, because of your generous support, you allow me to do things sooner than I thought I could. Be able to check out knives, be able to cover the cost of once a week budget banger giveaways, to be able to cover the cost of the giveaway shipping, things like that. Loan knives, all that stuff. Thank you. Thank you guys. You guys are amazing. It's a small way for me to say thank you. I want to do 2 exclusive things for channel members. 1, brand new channel members. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. So if you're a brand new channel member, email me your name and address so I can mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. Secondly, all channel members, you're eligible for the once a month members exclusive giveaway. So each week we'll have a budget banger giveaway, but that 1 week in a month, there will be 2 giveaways. And members, you're eligible for both. And usually the members giveaway is a little bit nicer than a budget banger giveaway. It's something hopefully you would enjoy winning as a prize or giving as a gift, right? That's my hope. If any of that sounds interesting and you say, hey, how do I become a channel member? There is a link down below in the description. I have 3 different tiers. Would love to have you if you decide to join. But please, please don't do it because you feel pressured. Do it because you want to. But if you choose to do so, thank you. Sincerely, thank you. Some of you guys are asking, hey, I thought there's more. Yeah, there is. There's special emojis here in the comments. Live streams, yes. There's kazoo salutes, yes. There's 1 year, 2 year, 3 year anniversary stuff. Yes, there's exclusive content. All that's included. It's my small way to say thank you. And if any of that sounds really cool, please, I would be honored to have you as a member. All right, if you haven't already, maybe also check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week.